In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Mail app not receiving emails on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the Mail app often stops receiving emails due to a stuck sync handshakes or incorrect fetching data. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your Mail application, and then from here, once it's open, just go over to all inboxes and then do a big swipe, and it's going to start refreshing the page. And if that still doesn't work, however, what you can go ahead and do is go over to settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says apps, and then locate your mail application. So just go obviously over to M, then go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're here, go over to mail accounts at the very top, and then on the bottom, it's going to say fetch new data. Ensure push is toggled on because that's definitely going to help. And then also, if you have to re-enter your password, you can do that. The final thing I'd recommend is just going ahead and removing your account and then re-adding it to your iPhone, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.